How to rename administrator account in Windows 11. First, sign in to your administrator account. Then right-click on Start menu. Select Computer Management. Under the System Tools section, select Local Users and Groups. Then select Users folder. Now you will see a list of user accounts on your PC. Look for the account name Administrator. Right-click on it and select Rename. Now type your desired name. Press Enter. That's it. You have successfully renamed the administrator account. To make sure the change took effect, you can log out of your current account and check the login screen. You should see the new name displayed for the administrator account, and that's how you can rename administrator account in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.